Any idiot can face a crisis. It's the day-to-day living that wears you out. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Man is what he believes. When you're thirsty and it seems that you could drink the entire ocean, that's faith. When you start to drink and finish only a glass or two, that's science. Don't tell me the moon is shining. Show me the glint of light on broken glass. People don't notice whether it's winter or summer when they're happy. To advise is not to compel. The role of the artist is to ask questions, not answer them.